This instructional video will guide you on how to properly inflate and set up a paddleboard. The Tahe Breeze Wing paddleboard comes as a complete kit in a backpack. When you arrive at the lake, unzip your backpack and unpack its contents. Inside, you will find a pump, paddle, the deflated paddleboard, an SUP leash and a fin. To begin setup, remove the cinch strap around the paddleboard and roll it out flat. Push the pin on the valve to ensure that it is in the up position. Then connect one end of the black hose to the valve on the paddleboard and the other end to the top of the pump, ensuring that the action valve is switched to the number 2 position. Now you can start pumping to inflate the paddleboard. Keep an eye on the pressure gauge. Once it hits 6 psi, switch the action valve to the number 1 position on the side of the pump and continue pumping until the gauge reads 12 psi. Then disconnect the hose from the board and tighten the grey cap. Assemble the 2 paddle attachments and tie the SUP leash onto the metal hook at the base of the board. This gets strapped around your foot when you're on top of the board. Lastly, flip the board over and clip the fin into its slot. To do this, place the square bolt into the slot and unscrew to release it. Then drop the fin into the slot, line up the screw hole with the square bolt and screw it tightly in place. When the paddleboard is not in use, please ensure not to leave it fully inflated in the sun, as this will cause damage to the board. Once you are done using the paddleboard, push down on the pin to deflate it. Then press down on the board as you roll it to get the air out. Wrap the cinch strap around the paddleboard and place all the contents back into the backpack. Thanks for watching this instructional video. Visit sardisrentals.com to book your paddleboard rental in Chilliwack.